Namaste, beautiful soul. Welcome to day number 3 of our 7 days of meditations together. The meditation today is dedicated to anxiety. We're going to learn how to deal a little better with anxiety, to be more present in the now. Don't forget to give a like to this video and to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet, so you can enjoy every new video that I'm uploading for you. And if you're ready, in your comfortable place, in your special spot for meditation in your house, so let's begin. So take a deep breath in through your nose. Exhale everything out through the mouth. And we're gonna immerse ourselves in day number 3 in a meditation to learn how to be present in the now in order to release anxiety. So we start paying attention to our own breath. How's our breathing reacting today? Is it short? Is it restricted? Or I am able to allow that breath to run with freedom and time and to go deep. So start by breathing in, breathing out, and paying attention on the first breath. And anxiety happens when we are trying to change the past or control the future. And the future doesn't exist yet, and the past is gone. There's nothing we can do about it. So that's why, in order to release anxiety, we have to focus on the present time. We have to be able to stay where we are. We have to find the breath and follow that and stay here in the now. So by bringing the attention to your own breath, we can bring the attention to the tip of the nose and feel the air passing through the nostrils, becoming that breath and traveling inside our bodies. And then feeling how everything works together to exhale the breath. And we know we are inhaling with no expectations and exhaling with no attachment. And by continuing doing that, we have no other place to go but staying here. So we find things that connect us with the present time, and we feel every breath like it's the first time that we're breathing in and the first time that we're breathing out. Because that's the truth. Every breath is new. So every breath that we take is the first time. And every breath we exhale, it is the first time. So when the mind tries to go again to that future that we haven't lived yet, or it tries to go to that past that is already gone, we need to find peace being present in our own breath. And sometimes requires many times to do it. But every time that we are able to bring the attention to the present, in that time we feel peace. And anxiety has no room in a soul filled with peace. Take another deep breath in and bring a smile to your lips, just a big smile. We think sometimes we have no reason to smile, but bring that smile to your face and see what happens. Feel what happens in your heart. Yes, keep smiling. And then release when you exhale, let everything go. That's what it exists, your smile, your breath. That's where you have to go. That's where you have to go every time you start feeling anxious, desperate, depressed. Find peace and happiness and a quiet place inside your soul. I promise you, it is there. So as we continue breathing in, breathing out, we feel the lungs expanding, the rib cage moving. That's the reality that we have right now. Is you sitting, breathing, and enjoying the moment. Just trust in the power of your own breath and the power of being present. Just continue breathing in and breathing out. In moments of stress, just sit, take deep breath, connect with your beautiful lungs again, with your sacred breath, and take another deep breath in and another deep breath out, releasing, letting everything go, and you can see things fall into place. Breathing in and breathing out. And now bring both hands to your heart, to the center of your chest. Focus on your heart, on your heartbeat. Promise to yourself that the next time that you feel anxiety, you will go and look for your breath. You will go and rely on your breath, rest on your breath, and find peace in your breath. And when you're breathing in and breathing out, and you're fully present on that moment, that's all that exists. So take another deep breath in with your hands in your heart. Feel your chest expanding, the heart is rising up to the sky. Open your mouth and exhale everything out. And just feel the effects of being present in your own breath. And remember that promise of going back to your own breath when you need so. This is Pau, and I'm very proud of you. Thank you for doing this meditation with me. And we meet again tomorrow for our meditation day number 4. We're going to do a love meditation. So I see you in your sacred spot to share another moment of meditation together. If you like this meditation, you can repeat it. You can do it as many days or times a day as you wish. Thank you again. Namaste.